na naka-on yung
natin,
video.
maging katulad natin. We hope and pray that our kids could be as strong and as smart probably as we are to face the challenges that they may face in the future. I'm glad enough to see everyone around, and sabi ko nga, hindi ko naman balak pahabain ang panalintang ito. Suffice to say that just like me, we are all proud graduates of Esteban Nevada High School. We may have taken various careers and paths in life, but by mere being here today is surely an indication of our gratitude to our alma mater. More than the fun that we'll have today, as introduced by Winnie earlier, we are expected to elect officers who would somehow kick off and keep the burning of what the earlier group has started. And we wish well all the officers who would be elected later on, so they could pursue various projects and initiatives that would benefit alma mater and of course the future students of the school. Let's maximize our time renewing ties with each other. Try to reach out yung ibang batches, kumustahan, and sure that's the best we could bring back home after this event. Maraming salamat sa pagdating, and may this day be the start of more, hopefully bigger forthcoming, and may bring everyone closer later on. Maraming salamat and good evening to all of you.